Sa labas may naglalakad.
Jack? Regardless, if we open that door at any point in time, you do not have any permission to come in.
Medyo intense tong episode natin ngayon.
Don't let them in. You're going the wrong way.
You're so close. It's daw.
Wait. What the? Bring it.
Kita nyo, no?
In the back.
Dinig nyo?
Dude, I'm getting the chills. I'm not kidding. Look.
Evident talaga.
Or so we think. Right.
Putang, seryoso nung tanong. Sasagot ng ganun. Takot na nga.
Julia. Remember, Julia came through.
Parang si Val din to si Rivers eh. Pag magsasagot
we
eh.
were like, okay, well that's weird. Maybe she had murdered someone. But then we started getting into the vibe.
Yung takot na sila. Tapos ano pa lang, babanat pa lang nakakatawa. Shout out sa'yo, Boss Bal, Boss Rino, Boss Dax. Yan.
That they were restrained.
Right.
Rope was ropes.
Yes.
All of the other things started coming through is when it got confusing. The stuff about the fires, multiple other people, them describing you guys. And
Tong ina, animation, no?
These are all facts here in
Nire-animate
Virginia City as well.
talaga.
Julia Bulette took a huge
May mga
part in
minor na
Virginia
sunog
City.
kasi
So Julia
dyan.
Bulette was actually such a huge, important person. Yes, she was
Kala ko
a lady
kanina
of the
jowa
night,
niya
but
yung
surviving
Julia
in
na
Virginia
shinout
City
out
during
niya
that
kasi.
time was actually very hard.
eventually she did make her way into some like important circles, you know. Eventually she ended up like meeting everybody and knowing everybody. Like you said, she was super well known across the town. She was like influential in a lot of things that pretty much built the place.
Every time we do go to Virginia City and talk to somebody new about like any history involving any
Virginia
of the
pala
buildings
yan.
there, Julia Bulette's name just gets brought up.
She's everywhere. She was all over the place. It's actually insane.
That's some of the only leftover.
Mga lod sa Amerika rin pala, no? Kasi ngayon, pag tinignan mo yung Amerika, kahit sa social media, kahit pumunta ka ron, parang sobrang modern na, di ba? Pero ganun pala sa Amerika noon. May para din silang parang mga baryo-baryo din sila. Unang panahon, no, mga lods? Ang galing. Ibig sabihin, sobrang tagal na talaga ng kwento nito. Sobrang tagal na nung entity dyan. Sobrang tanda na. Sobrang tagal na yung hindi natatahimik.
Recorded history
Konti
that's
na
here
lang,
in
guys.
Virginia
Patapos
City
na to.
because the fires happened and destroyed a lot of the information, a lot of the documents and everything. And story does say that she
Wala
could
pa kasing
have
mga
potentially
ano
been
dati,
stalked by
mga
this man, and this man could have done
storage,
something to her,
memory.
which is how she
Kaya
had
pag
died.
nasunog,
But then also,
sunog talaga.
stories
Wala
say
pa
that
namang
something also happened to this man.
online
Gunfights
storage
happened out
nun
front
eh.
of this cabin.
And tonight we got died in the street.
Yes, and then mine
Pati yung mga
fires. Dude, this
dokumento
is
na
some
sunog.
crazy evidence because this is all
Yan.
complete facts.
The only question that still remains is what exactly
Kaya hindi
is
na
so
document
negative that's
yung
outside.
buong pangyayari.
The closest thing we got was the EVPs, that one that we can't really make out that says something
Walang
about the house
ebidensya
also, but that
kasi
one down there, the
nasunog
first one says get
lahat.
out of my house, so we think anyway.
So did they own this house or cabin at one point because they're attached to it?
Who knows?
Overall, I think tonight we got like one of our and my most memorable nights investigations tonight.
This is proof.
Memorable
Noises,
daw yung episode na yan,
conversation,
sabi
it's
ni
proof. This is
Rivers.
100% proof. Lots of people can't top
Sakto
this.
pala talaga yung pag-react natin,
Something
guys.
was pushing on both front and back.
Bagong taon pa
Now
natin
that I'm
ni-react.
thinking about it again, like you just said,
Baka naman,
say
guys.
something or bless some bottle of water.
Konting
real quick.
subscribe, like, and share lang. Baka
I don't know
naman.
what it is, but it's not nice.
Pa-New Year
I'm
nyo na
still
sa akin. Who is inside?
We're not going to be here for much longer. We are down here right now, and whoever in the house or outside, we want to have just a few more words with you. We are going to be leaving in peace, or peace is.
Boy, aalis. Loko in...
I just
Or in
heard
pieces
that,
daw.
dude. I do not want my back towards
Ano
that
yun?
door at all.
If somebody can
Kumalskas.
hear us, will we make it out of this cabin safely?
Paalis na ata sila eh. Hindi pa nila hinintay. Hindi na lang sila nagpaumaga.
Are you at the back door?
Rinig nyo? Basa nyo?
Dude, no.
Post natin. Boy. Guys, sabi ni Ryan, are you in the back door? Alam mo sagot sa device? Crawling on the floor. Creepy, no? Di ba pag crawling in the floor, parang ano yun? Parang sadako yun. Pag mga ganun. Parang, ay sorry, nagmura. Parang mga, tawag dito. Mga gumagapang, mga golem ba yun?
We hear you.
Creepy.
What do you want? If you were trying to get in to harm any of the spirits here, and they don't mean any harm, you cannot do that.
The only thing I can think about right now is that door just swinging open, and then something just crawling on the ground right towards us.
Why does he do that?
Ano daw? Bumukas? Bumukas ba? O ini-imagine niya lang?
Why do you think
I don't. He does this every.
Ulit. Ulit lang konti lang. Patapos na to. Konti na lang.
Any harm? You cannot do that.
The only thing I can think about right now is that door just swinging open, and then something just crawling on the ground right towards us.
Why does he do that? Why do you think
I
he
don't.
does
He does this
Nai-imagine niya lang.
investigation.
I have a vivid mind. I'm
You
sorry.
you
Keep
have
it to
a
yourself.
tormented mind. You're psychotic. Only when we investigate. Actually, no.
It's pretty normal.
We wake up and he's like this.
Okay, I apologize for being me. You guys are supposed to be my homies.
Psychotic daw siya mag-isip.
But
Nai-imagine nga lang niya yun.
also, if you are trying to get in here to harm us, what?
We fight the darkness.
We fight the
That's
darkness.
Fight?
We fight the darkness.
The people maybe in
Whoa!
here.
Hang on. What if we got this all mixed up? Dude,
Tangina.
this is.
Ang
Look at
intense
this is
eh,
chilling
no?
me up. What if we are in
Puta, may
here
labanan
in the
pala
wrong
dyan.
Spot.
The
May
evil.
labanan
I
pala
see what
dyan
you're
mga
saying.
lods. Sabi, we fight the darkness daw.
Grandpa,
Kasi may labanan.
I think you got it right.
Oh my god.
Rempa
That
do.
was a huge twist up.
Even after the experiences we've had at the other locations, that makes sense.
What?
That's why it said don't let them in.
That is.
Again.
Blink.
Well, how do we find
Blink.
out the truth? What do we do?
That just flipped the whole theory right there.
How do we know the truth? The people outside, the spirits, the entities, whatever you are, if you can.
Unlikely.
If you. Right. They're facing each other, bro. This is
Legit.
they're literally saying, no, don't do it. Yes, do it. No, you know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
That is so crazy. Think about it. Whoever's in here was telling us that they're attached to the home.
Right.
Why would they be outside, right?
I'm sorry.
I just don't know, man. What if it's not them? What if whoever's in here is
Protecting their
protecting
home.
us? Protecting the home.
This is a trick, isn't it?
Change voice. Often.
Change voice off. Like some demonic.
Or even there's an entity in here that's playing multiple.
Dude, what if it's just one spirit
Change voice
with us the
often.
whole time?
Meron daw nagpapalit-palit ng boses dyan madalas.
For that answer.
What? Was that upstairs? I can hear it so well because the stairs are right there.
I worked here.
Minor.
Were you a miner?
Whoever's up there making all that noise, we can hear you. Why don't you just come down here and give us the answers, please?
I can't hear you.
I just said we can hear you. Why don't you come down here and give us the answers? You know what that sounds like to me? That childish. Oh, I can't hear you.
Yeah.
Chairs. One ghost detected.
What the f? Chairs. One ghost detected.
Kill you.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Are you sitting right there?
There's that device. That blue device is on the corner.
Ginigisa
You
talaga
touch
sila, oh.
It will make
Here
noise.
it is.
Here it
Sinabihan
is.
sila, kill you.
We're waiting.
I'm there.
I'm there.
No, you. No, 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 no.
That's actually crazy. We just caught that.
What the man? I apologize. I'm sorry. I apologize. That was scary.
Holy dude.
Ulit, Lods.
Crazy.
Lods, ulitin ko lang.
The one that we think is trying to help us, can you explain what's going on right now? Who or what is it that's outside? What do they want? Someone's trying to help us.
Let them in.
Don't let them in.
Again.
Don't let them in.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Oh!
I have a bad feeling about this. Naawat talaga sila.
This is scary, man. This is no joke, guys.
Boss ko. Mga Lods, scary tong episode na to, mga Lods. Legit. Mga vlogger natin, Twin Paranormal, pinag-aagawan sila, mga Lods. Kitang-kita nyo naman. Hindi lang sa kanila nyo nakita. Mismong dun sa mga device nila, nakita nyo rin, mga Lods. Pinag-aagawan sila. Pinag-aagawan yung mga vlogger. Yeah, speaking of vlogger, shout out lang natin ang ating mga tropa dyan. Sila Boss Jeff, Investigador J Explore, Boss Jens, and Boss Philip. Yan, mga tropa natin yan. Pauwi na sila ng Bulacan ngayon. Galing sila ng La Union. Yan. Shout out din tayo sa ating mga sa kaibigan ng ating mga kaibigan na kaibigan din natin. Shoutout din natin yan, sila Boss Rino, Boss Val, Boss Adventure Ducks Explorer. Yan, family natin yan, mga Lods. At syempre hindi ko pwede makalimutan si Kuya Rick TV. Subscribe nyo yung mga yan, mga Lods. Yung mga shoutout ko na yan, subscribe nyo lahat yan, mga Lods. Mga legit ghost hunter yan, mga Lods. Talagang nag-explore yung mga yan. At ako na may pasabit-sabit lang. Tuloy na natin.
I get like choked up. My
Guys,
Grabe, nag-aagawan sila.
this is not funny.
What do we do? I'm dead
This is
serious.
not funny raw, sabi ni Wyatt. Oh.
We don't want to
Kabado
let
na
them
yung mga yan.
in. Please explain though. What's going on?
Why are they trying to get in?
Uumagahin
Do they
sila
want
dyan.
us? Dude, I'm shaking, man.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do. I'm
Nginig siya.
panicking.
That's actually some of the freakiest, most
Nervyos
intelligent
na yan.
responses we've ever caught on the channel.
We might need to make a return. I know I say
Buwang
this often,
sasamahan
but
sila.
there are locations that we get some crazy evidence.
Paalis.
And it definitely deserves a return. If you guys want us to make a return here, let's get this
Patapos na
video
yan,
to
mga
50,000 likes. The reason why we're asking for 50... Front door! The reason why we're asking for 50,000 likes is because this place is a little bit more terrifying than what we usually deal with, and that's gonna kind of give us more courage.
50,000
And
likes
also, we
yung
do ask you
mga
guys to
lods,
like
oh.
the videos because that lets us know that you do enjoy what we've been
Challenge
up to,
yan,
and
mga
it's also
lods.
just nice to see you guys
Mag-like
be
na kayo.
interacting with us and stuff. If you are not
Para
subscribed to this
babalik
channel,
sila
and you
dyan.
keep finding yourselves
Kung
coming
gusto nyo
back
silang bumalik
because
dyan,
you like what you see.
like nyo
Guys,
yung
we are
video.
on our way to 800,000 subscribers, so if you can, please make sure you
800,000
hit the subscribe
subscribers.
button. Also, for all of
Like
you
yung
who are out
video,
there,
subscribe nyo
please
sila.
share this video. Share it to a
Kung gusto
skeptic.
nyo bumalik
Share
sila
it to
dyan.
somebody who just maybe semi-believes. This has to be
Ilan na ba
enough
likes?
evidence for somebody to believe.
44K yung
It's some
likes.
sort of energy. With all that being said, we are going to
6K
pack up our
na lang.
stuff and get out of here.
Babalik
because
sila
we
dyan.
don't feel safe. We will see you next week. Peace.
Ako gusto ko rin bumalik sila dyan eh. Lalike ko to, mga Lods. Yeah. So, oh, grabe yun, mga Lods. Grabe yun. Mind-blowing, mga Lods. First time ko na-stream ng ganun. So, yun lamang muna, mga Lods. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod natin na video at stream. Muli, ito po ang inyong kapuyatan sa madaling araw. Paints away, now signing off.